Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high cashback credit cards in the USA. If you're looking to maximize your rewards and get the most out of your spending, this guide is for you. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand cashback credit cards. Cashback credit cards allow you to earn a percentage of your spending back as cash rewards. These percentages can vary based on the card and the category of spending, so it's crucial to understand the basics before applying. Step 2. Identify your spending habits. Evaluate where you spend the most money. Are you a frequent diner, a travel enthusiast, or someone who buys a lot of groceries? Different cashback cards offer higher rewards in specific categories. Knowing your spending habits will help you choose the best card for your needs. Step 3. Research. Top cashback credit cards. Some of the best cashback credit cards in the USA include Chase Freedom Flex. Offers 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. Citi Double Cash Card. Give you 2% cash back on every purchase, 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay your bill. Discover It. Cashback. Provides 5% cash back in rotating categories and matches your cash back at the end of your first year. Blue Cash. Preferred card from American Express. Offers 6% cash back on groceries up to $6,000 per year, 3% on gas and transit, and 1% on everything else. Step 4. Check for sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer attractive sign-up bonuses if you spend a certain amount within the first few months. This can significantly boost your cashback earnings in the initial period. Always look for these promotions when choosing a card. Step 5. Review fees and interest rates. While cashback can be enticing, it's vital to consider any associated fees such as annual fees and interest rates. Some cards may have high interest rates that can negate your cashback benefits if you carry a balance. Step 6. Read the fine print. Make sure to understand the terms and conditions of the card you're applying for. Pay attention to categories that may change, limits on earnings, and any expiration dates for rewards. Step 7. Apply for the card. Once you've researched and selected a card that matches your spending habits and offers attractive rewards, it's time to apply. You can usually do this online and receive a decision quickly. Step 8. Use the card wisely. To maximize your cashback rewards, use your new card for everyday purchases in the relevant categories. Set up automatic payments if possible, but ensure you pay off your balance each month to avoid interest. Thank you for tuning in to our guide on high cashback credit cards in the USA. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy earning!